Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Today I'm checking out the Cyroforce CF3. Got a little user guide here on top, portable. Throw our ice in here, throw our water in here. Need to ice our knees, our shoulders, our back. You can put hot water in here as well if you want to. Let's get this guy out of here, shall we? Fully insulated, as we can see. Check that out, that is cool. Got a nice front here. This is like nice and insulated. We have this strap on there, little pockets on the side. Our information is right here on the top, so we can just pop this up, leave. Check that out. It's got little things here. This foam, it's like a thick, like reinforced foam. Excellent for insulation, stuff like that. It's going to go on there. We have our other stuff in here, our lines. Check that out inside. It's like a little ice box. We got our ice fill line and then our water fill line there, so we make sure we don't overflow it. Nice and compact. Here we have our port. Here we have our plug-in. We can use this with either the battery. Right, and here we have the pad. We have this easy off Velcro. It's very strong, but easy to take off as well. So some Velcro, it's got the bigger hooks on it, and if you just had knee surgery or something like that, you don't want people pulling real hard. It can be painful. So this is nice, gentle, easy off Velcro, which is cool. Nice big pad here. We can see the design here. All these little places here is where the cold water is going to be continuously pumped through there. We can put this up on our shoulder. We'll be showing you how to do that. You can throw it on the knee. This can just be put on your back too. Maybe you have a back pain. We can pump cold water through here. We can do hot water. Can put this away also. If it's empty, you can just put your cords right back in here and stow this away. But yeah, I'm going to test this out in a couple different ways, tell you what I think about it. But first impression, guys, this is so lightweight. I mean, this is heavy duty foam. It's just like, it's super durable, very lightweight, excellent insulated properties. This thing looks cool. I like how the instructions are right on top. So if maybe you're at a caregiver house or something and you're not quite familiar with it, this is going to tell you how to do all that, and this is super user-friendly. Everything about this seems like well thought out. Okay, friends, so to save yourself some ice, a trick is to put water balls in there. So take a little bit of water out and then put them in your freezer so they don't explode. But I got 6 of them in there, like perfectly. Okay, and then we're going to put some, first add water, second add ice. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the water line on this. So it has a little water line there, and then fill the rest up with ice. And this should be super cold. We already got our water bottles in there, but the water line doesn't have to be crazy high, because when the ice melts, it's going to not run out of water. You know, it's not going to have less water. It's just going to make more. So this is going to maximize the coolness. So we have the ice bottles in there, the water, filled up the water line, and then fill the rest up with ice. And there we have it, my friends. Yeah, let's fire up. We'll see how long this thing lasts on this. I think it's going to be a long time. This is super, look at how thick this insulation is on here. It's like almost an inch. Okay, friends, I'm going to be putting on the shoulder pad here. So this has these nice little Velcro spots here. So that kind of basically shows you where you can put this to access this. So this has this little ball or round point right here. It just kind of just goes on the shoulder. So we have our thing down there. I'll just put this on my shoulder. Reach behind if you don't have anyone to help you. And this can go up there. Now this can go kind of like that, just to encompass it. You see how easy this Velcro is to work with. And that's just gonna surround your whole shoulder with like nice cold water there. And I can just turn it on. and it starts flowing immediately. And I got the high flow right now. Woo! That's cold coming in already. So it works quickly. And that's all right over the shoulder there. Really nice. I get the ice on the front, the back, the side, everywhere right here. So it's really good. Easy to put on. I can put it, oh, that's cold. Okay, so this obviously doesn't go just on the shoulder. This pad, we can put it on the knee. We bring this around, elevate it a little bit, usually have it coming around. You want this going down the leg there as much as possible. And this way too, you can, if you have your leg bent a little bit, or if you have it straight, whichever way you're doing it, you can take this off if you want, or you can use this if you would like. But this mainly, I think, for the shoulder. Doesn't have to be though. So we can do it like that. We can use our Velcro to adjust it any way we want. It comes with lots of Velcro. And this is, like I said, this is super easy to take off, put it back on. So if we want a little tighter there, we can do that as well. So nice and cool right there. So wherever you want to put this on your leg, put it on your calf, on your back, on your shoulder. This thing is going to provide excellent either hot or cold therapy. We can do timer, so it's going to be 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off, 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. So they recommend not making it so your leg is numb. So if you have maybe 10 minutes of cool, and before your leg gets numb, it switches off automatically. And this process, it can go all night with providing that cold therapy that's necessary without getting it too cold and making it numb. So that's very, very nice there. So we have different modes. We have the flow, we have time off, time on. So we can just set it for, hey, I just want to go, half hour and then I'm done. You can do that as well. You have the pulse, which sets up kind of like a massage thing. And it fills it up and kind of lets it out and then pumps it back in there. And those have 3 settings on that. So that's really nice. And then you have the high, medium, and low flow. So that also, the flow can regulate the temperature a little bit. If you have it on high flow, obviously going to circulate that ice cold water quicker. If you have it on a little lower, it might, it's going to be a little bit slower, so it might not get quite as cold. So you can kind of regulate the temp that way if you want to. The pulse is nice. Super easy to take this off, put it back on. Like I said, like the Velcro is very simple. It holds strong, but it's easy to take off without causing any pain or anything like that if you're reefing on it. And yeah, I really like this pad. Does a great job, like I said. If you want continuous cold, or if you want to use it as a heating pad, just fill it up with hot water. It does an excellent job. Well, let's check out the temp in here. Oh, it's like really cold. I'm actually accessing my the pad so we can see, because that's just off the ice cubes there, obviously. So here's the pad, and we can see that's sitting at 42 degrees. So that is nice and chilly there. And we'll just come check on it here. It's 1425 or 420, 1625, 425. Okay, friends, it is now 10:42, and it's been, what, I started at 2 or 4? I have to go back, but we're at 47 degrees. Oh my goodness. There's still ice in there. Holy cow, this is probably gonna run, I don't know, I'm just gonna go to bed, and when I come up and see if it's still cold in there. Okay, friends. Oh, it's 1:21 the next day. 54, 55. Why is it not? Okay, there we go. So 55. So the temperature's finally reached higher. And let's look inside. So our water is at like 54. So that's about the extent of it, but that was well over 12 hours. It seems like this ice bottle hack with the ice on there is just does an exceptional job of keeping it cold. Okay, friends, final thoughts on the CF3. I mean, with that cold demonstration, we can see it keeps water at the temperature it needs to maintain for a long time. I'll have to go back and check how long it actually was, but it was quite a while. Anyway, so I have it hot water in here now, and check this out. I'm hoping that we can see this is at 112 right now. So whether you want the cold water all night or the hot water for a nice heating pad, this does both really well. The insulation works nice. You can get a battery pack for this also if you don't want any wires. So that's very convenient as well. Leave this little pouch right here. You could just stick the battery pack in there and run it off of that. So if you're in the car or something like that, you have the freedom of complete mobility basically with this thing, even though you can't really move around with it on you. You know what I mean? Anyways, you guys know what I mean. So you can put this in the car, have a nice heating pad there or ice pack there. A lot of times when people travel for like knee surgery, they need that ice pack right away. And so maybe if they've gone, you know, a couple 100 miles, 300-400 miles, and they need to keep ice on it, well, this is one way to do it. So yeah, my friends, I'm really impressed with it. It does a great job. What else? I think I've covered everything. If you guys are looking for a nice cold therapy or hot therapy pack, go ahead and check this one out, the Cyroforce CF3. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.